Hello, my friend. I am Reggie. I am practicing to indigenous farming via star night camping, Sri Lanka, Yala Khataragama. Come to join with us. See to animal and jungle camping, jungle hiking, jungle trekking.